Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Bargain Bead Box for the month of November. It's called Harvest's End. The harvest season draws to a close and the holidays approach. Our final ode to fall blends festive reds and greens with tiger's eye, rich golden chaodents, I'm not sure, including a stunning 40 millimeter oval cab wire wrapped in an intricate tree of life motif. Sparkling crystals, earthy gemstones, and bright rose gold findings complete this cozy palette. So, we have 19 things, so let's get started. I started this video once, and I was having trouble with my attachment here, so I ended up refilming it again. So I already had it open, so I didn't bother putting it back in the box. So, let's start with number one here. 12-inch strand, a 4 millimeter gently faceted round glass beads in light peridot. Having trouble talking this morning. So, let's see. Oh, these are very pretty. Yeah, really pretty. A little bit of a shimmer, not too much, but enough. Okay, that's number one. Number two is a 4-piece 28 millimeter red pressed glass leaf drops, red ombre with gold shimmer. Okay. Well, these are pretty. Kind of different. Yeah, hold on the top. There's 4 of them. This could be a really cute charm or a bracelet, like a fun. It doesn't really. I don't know. This more says spring to me than fall, even though I know it's supposed to be leaves, but I think it would be more orange than red to me. This looks more like a spring summer theme, but still pretty. So that's number two. So number three is 4 sets of 20 by 26 millimeter bamboo style toggle clasps in rose gold. Oh, these are bright. I'm not the biggest fan of rose gold, but I'll definitely find use for these. You know, I do a lot of mixed metal pieces, which is great because I can just use a little bit of something. You know, it doesn't have to be overwhelming with the rose gold, but like you can add it to something else and, you know, make it work. So number 4 is a 4-piece 38 millimeter leafy branch drop link. These are pretty. I know we've had these before in another color. To look back. That's pretty. Number 5 is a 4-piece 22 by 18 millimeter cutout leaf charm. Okay, again, these are pretty bright rose gold. I'm not sure if this kind of stuff tarnishes. It's almost like I want to leave it out for a little bit just to see if it tarnishes, because you don't want to make jewelry with it and give it away for a present or put it up for sale and then it tarnishes, because that's not good for your reputation. Okay, so number 6 is a 14-inch strand of 4 by 3 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in frosted garnet shimmer. Ooh, these look pretty. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, they're kind of, they're frosted, but they're like a frosted matte color. Holes look good. They seem to be pretty uniform. Yeah, nice beads. Okay. So number 7 is a 5-piece 10 millimeter crystal fancy barrel beads in pale topaz. Ooh, now these are gorgeous. Look at those. Look at the shimmer on those. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. So number 8 is a 10-piece 35mm brass eye pin with heavy electroplating. I don't really have to take these out of the bag. You can kind of see them. Number 9 is a 1 meter of 4x3mm steel oval chain jewelry rose gold finish. Now this is pretty. This isn't really too rose gold like some of the other pieces. It's more like a pale gold, like a white gold almost. I like this. I like this color better than like that. I don't know if you can see the difference on camera, but I like this color better. So it's a pretty chain, nice chain. Okay, so number 10 is approximately 90-piece strand of 4mm crystal bicone beads in a wheat AB finish. Oh, that sounds pretty. Oh, these are pretty. Lots of shimmer. Yeah, nice long strand. Very pretty. Okay, so let me see. Was 10. Where is 11? Oh, here. Okay. Number 11 is a 50-piece 4x5mm daisy spacer beads. These are pretty. They're more of that pale gold. They're not so much rose gold, which I like that. I have a lot more use for these. And number 12 is a 10-piece strand of 12x8.5mm matte textured red agate oval beads. That's okay. Oh, these are pretty. They don't really seem red. They're more of like a burnt orange, like an ombre color. Burnt ombre. I use this a lot in my paintings. This is actually kind of like one of the walls in my house, this color, but it's very pretty. That reminds me more of fall than, say, these. They're more of a reddish pink, and so this is more fall to me. 12. So 13 is a 15-inch strand of 8mm natural tiger eye semi-round beads. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Nice and heavy. The holes, very uniform. Really nice. Okay, number 14 is a 7.5-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in lemon chiffon shimmer. Oh, that sounds pretty. Ooh, yes. Lots of shimmer on these. Very pretty. Nice strand. The holes look good. Okay, so number 14. So now we're on to number 15. 4-piece, approximately 14x10mm natural tiger eye barrel beads. Oh, I've never seen tiger eye barrel beads before. These are pretty. They're all different. Yeah, like this is like a little faded there. Holes look good. Yeah, very pretty. Okay, number 16 is a 20-piece 5x5mm English cut crystal faceted round beads in evergreen AB. I love English cut beads. They are very pretty. I think they actually show off more of the sparkle. Look at that. Oh, pretty that is. That's gorgeous. The holes look really good. They seem pretty uniform. Just move it around. Imagine that on her wrist. Okay, so number 17 is a 7.5 inch strand, 6mm natural chrysanthemum jasper round beads. Actually, my daughter's name is Chrysa, Chrysa, which her birth flower is the chrysanthemum. She was named after her yaya. It's Greek. It means golden in Greek. So yeah, but anyway, these are really pretty. The holes look really nice. I love jasper. Jasper and agate are two of my favorite gemstones. I would say, I think jasper's number one. I love it. It comes in so many different shapes and colors and textures, and I just love jasper. Chrysanthemum jasper is supposed to have more of like flowers kind of bursting from them. But I do notice a little bit like on this one. I think that the reason we're not getting that look, yeah, you could tell a little bit. I think we're not getting that look because I think the beads are so small that there's not enough space for them to get that look. It's kind of like when I paint some, on a canvas, and, if you have a small canvas, you can't really create, it takes a lot to just put something on a little canvas. You don't get that expression of color where with this, like this one right there, I would say this bead, I don't know if it's getting it in the light, I would say that is actually the flower right there, the chrysanthemum flower that is known for chrysanthemum jasper, but very pretty. And I love the name. So number 18 is approximately 56mm of handmade natural tiger eye and brass tree of life pendant. Okay. This is different. It's pretty. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure about these colors together though. Like the tiger eye is like more of a warm goldenrod kind of color, and the tree of life wrap is more like a peachy kind of, it says brass, but it looks more rose gold to me. I'm not sure of these two colors together, but it's very pretty. I mean, the work, stunning detail to the work of it. You look at all the branches at the bottom and around. It is, a beautiful job that they did. I don't know. I'll have to see what I come up with this. I would actually think that the rest of it would have to be pretty muted on whatever you put it on, if you put it on a necklace or something, to really make this a focal piece, because if not, I think it might almost be too busy. Yeah, so I'll have to see. But it's very pretty though. The detail is beautiful. And number 19 is a 20-piece 8x2mm snowflake bead caps. Yeah, these are pretty. These are more of a bright rose gold, but like I said before, I do a lot of mixed metal pieces, and what's great is like you could add like 6 or 7 of these to a bracelet with some silver or gold and just make it like a pop color, and it'll look really pretty. I just wouldn't use like the whole strand, all of them at once. Might be a little too bright for me. So this is the box for November. I will say it's very pretty. Everything in it's very pretty, but I will say the colors don't blend too well together. But I do have some ideas for what I want to do. So I think I'm going to shut off the camera now, and I'm going to work on some pieces and hopefully get another video up today or tomorrow of what I created out of this, and hopefully it'll help you with deciding what you want to do with your box of beads. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's see what I create out of these. See you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.